Today, our COLLEGIATE from LUCKNOW Public Collegiate Chopping Board branch will be making a sweet, healthy dessert which is strawberry delight. So first we have cutted cashews, nut and almonds and we have combined them in a bowl. Now we are cutting the bread with a cookie cutter. Now we will put raisins into our finely chopped almonds and cashew nuts. And now we will add our condensed milk into the mixture. And now we will mix it. Now we will apply our mixture on the bread. We will cover this. Now we will apply the strawberry syrup. Now we will sprinkle some desiccated fruit. So finally, our dessert is ready. Our dessert is full of nutrition value. Our dessert contains minerals, vitamins, protein, and this all help to make you very healthy. So let's enjoy.